Hi everyone, my name is Adam Smetana. I am an insurance guru, been an insurance producer in the business for over 7 years. And today, if you are paying for your own health insurance coverage for yourself or your family members, I want to help you solve your health insurance dilemma. Short-term medical has become a very big game changer, a disruptor in the insurance business. For people, especially for people who are shopping and have to pay for their own coverage for themselves or family members. Short-term medical plans have been around, but they have evolved to compete with ACA plans, Affordable Care Act plans, for your dollars. And because the penalty for not having an Affordable Care Act plan is going away in 2019, short-term medical plans are only going to get more popular and more attractive to you and others. You are watching this video because you want to know the difference between an Affordable Care Act plan and a short-term medical plan. Let's go over the basics. An ACA plan or an Affordable Care Act plan is guaranteed issue. A short-term medical plan is not guaranteed issue. You qualify by simply not having any serious health issues, pre-existing conditions. Fundamentally, because of this difference, Affordable Care Act plans are going to be more expensive, much more expensive, because everyone gets the same price, whether they're high risk or if they're low risk. Whereas a short-term medical plans, members are lower risk, so the premiums can be as much as 50 to even 80% lower. Aside from price, there are two important points to make. Number one, short-term medical plans have a much bigger network. They are national networks. They're PPO networks. That means if you want to see a specific doctor, hospital, no problem. If you want to go to the best cancer treatment facility and fly there, whatever, do it. You can. Number two, short-term medical plans do not cover everything an ACA plan does. A short-term medical plan is not going to help you pay for prescriptions, maternity, mental health treatment. It doesn't, and it's not going to cover doctor visits, x-rays, or annual physicals unless you've already reached your deductible. So you may end up spending a couple extra $100 for doctor visits and tests, but that's going to more than likely be a wash because you're going to be able to save so much more money on the premium. So let us take a look at the 12 months plans side by side. The least expensive ACA plan on the left, and the National General's short-term medical plans on the right. The National General Network is Aetna Choice PPO, one of the strongest, largest networks in the country. So let's take a closer look here. On the left, you can see here the least expensive plan. Cigna Healthcare, the HMO, Bronze, $296. I don't know if it's really fair to compare this one to the ones on the right here because these are PPOs. Let's scroll down and find the first PPO here. Keep going. Okay, here's a PPO. $363 a month for your PPO, a bronze plan here on the Affordable Care Act for a 30-year-old male living in Chicago. Let's compare it on the right-hand side. So probably the one that would compare the best is this one right here. It's got a deductible of $5,000, an out-of-pocket maximum after deductible $5,000. So you got to spend $5,000 on healthcare before the policy kicks in. Once you spend $5,000, National General is going to start helping you pay for that coverage for your bills. And once you've spent $10,000 total, they're going to cover everything else. This Blue Cross Blue Shield PPO on the left-hand side, you're going to need to spend $6,000 before it kicks in. So a little bit more. You're going to have to spend $6,000 some way on healthcare during the year. Then it's going to help you, pay for everything else up to $7,900. And once you get $7,900, it's going to cover everything else. Everything else is going to be covered with this plan. So pretty similar plans for the most part. This one's $363 here on the left with the ACA. Let's see what this National General can offer us. Let's scroll all the way to the right. What is this? It $110 for pretty much the same plan. $110 a month versus $363. That's a difference of $250 a month. That's a big difference. $3,000 a year. Think of what you can do with that. That's money to put down your mortgage, vacation, taking time off work, education, dental plans, anything you can imagine. That is a lot of money for most people. I can help you get this application in and set up for 2019. Don't wait until 2020 or 2021. Do it. Just do it now. There's no penalty. Give me a call. Let's get you the information you need to go over with your spouse about it. My number is 847-702-3281, 847-702-3281. Get this Aetna Choice PPO network with National General, or you can stick with this for 2019, and it's up to you. But in any case, I want to be friends with you. Let's talk about it. Give me a call, 847-702-3281. Have a great day. Hope to hear from you soon.